What if I told you there is a smartphone that has everything you need at a fraction of the cost of its competitors? A smartphone that is so good, it has been making waves, even before its official launch. A smartphone that is none other than the Xiaomi Redmi 13C. But is the Redmi 13C really as good as it sounds? Or is it just another cheap phone that cuts corners and disappoints its users? That's what we are going to find out in this video, where we will review the Redmi 13C in depth, covering its various aspects, from design and performance to camera and battery life. So, without further ado, let's get started. The Redmi 13C has a sleek and elegant design that belies its budget price tag. The phone has a large and smooth 6.74-inch IPS LCD screen with a 90Hz refresh rate, a U-shaped notch, and minimal bezels. The back of the phone has a glossy finish that reflects light in different angles, and a rectangular camera module that houses 3 cameras and a fingerprint scanner. The phone has a plastic frame that feels sturdy and comfortable to hold, and has a USB Type-C port, a speaker grill, a 3.5mm headphone jack, an IR blaster, and a SIM tray that supports dual nano SIM cards and a micro SD card. The phone is available in 4 color options: midnight black, navy blue, glacier white, and clover green. The display of the Redmi 13C is bright and colorful, with good contrast and decent viewing angles. The screen has a resolution of 720 into 1600 pixels, which is low for this segment, but not too noticeable unless zoomed in. The screen also has some features that protect the eyes, such as Corning Gorilla Glass protection, TUV low blue light certification, and flicker-free certification. The display of the Redmi 13C lacks an ambient light sensor, which means that the brightness has to be adjusted manually. The sound quality of the Redmi 13C is decent, but not exceptional. The phone has a single bottom-firing speaker that produces clear and loud sound, but lacks bass and depth. The speaker also gets distorted at high volumes and can be easily blocked by the hand when holding the phone. The phone also supports a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is a welcome feature for many users, and offers better sound quality with wired headphones. The phone also supports Bluetooth 5.3, which allows for wireless audio connectivity with compatible devices. The performance of the Redmi 13C is impressive, as it offers a powerful processor that can handle most tasks and games with ease. The phone is powered by the MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, which is an octa-core processor with 2 Cortex-A75 cores clocked at 2.0 GHz and 6 Cortex-A55 cores clocked at 1.8 GHz. The processor also has a Mali G52 MC2 GPU, which handles the graphics. The phone comes with 4, 6, or 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, along with 64 or 128 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which can be expanded up to 512 GB via a microSD card. The software of the Redmi 13C is based on Android 13 with Xiaomi's custom MIUI 14 skin on top. The software offers a lot of features and customization options, such as themes, wallpapers, gestures, app lock, game mode, dark mode, and more. The software also has some bloatware and ads, which might annoy some users but can be disabled or uninstalled. The camera of the Redmi 13C is versatile and capable, as it offers 3 cameras on the back and 1 on the front. The main camera is a 50MP sensor that can capture detailed and sharp photos in good lighting conditions, and supports night mode for low light performance. The ultra-wide-angle camera is an 8MP sensor that can capture more of the scene, but with some distortion and loss of quality at the edges. The macro camera is a 2MP sensor that can capture close-up shots of small objects, but with low resolution and quality. The depth sensor is a 2MP sensor that helps in creating a bokeh effect for portrait shots by blurring the background and highlighting the subject. The front camera is an 8MP sensor that can capture decent selfies and supports portrait mode and beautify mode. All the cameras can record videos up to 1080p at 30 FPS, but only the main camera has electronic image stabilization. The battery life of the Redmi 13C is excellent, as it offers a large 5000 mAh battery that can last for more than a day of moderate to heavy usage. The phone also supports 18-watt fast charging, which can charge the battery from 0 to 50% in about 40 minutes and from 0 to 100% in about 90 minutes. The phone also supports reverse charging, which can charge other devices via a USB cable. The Redmi 13C is a remarkable smartphone that offers a lot of value for money. The phone has a sleek and elegant design, a large and smooth display, a powerful processor, a versatile camera, and a long-lasting battery. The phone also has some unique features, such as up to 8 GB of RAM, an IR blaster, and reverse charging. The phone has some drawbacks, such as a low-resolution screen, a lack of ambient light sensor, a single speaker, and some bloatware and ads. But these are minor issues that can be overlooked or fixed. The Redmi 13C is a great choice for anyone looking for a budget-friendly smartphone that doesn't compromise on quality or performance. The phone is a worthy competitor to other devices in the same price range, such as the Realme 8, the Samsung Galaxy M12, and the Motorola Moto G30. So, what do you think of the Redmi 13C? Do you like it or not? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, The Tech Critic, for more tech reviews and updates. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.